Free money. KGLK.
Oh.
Jackson,
Oh.
HBT.
Oh.
That was a good one.
I gotta record that one.
Ay, ay, ay.
Beep, 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 beep.
The toll that those parole hearings take on the families of the victims, I don't think...
He's getting caught. You're still getting caught, you idiot. I gotta watch this one. No. Yep, there you go. That's what you get for being an idiot.
Oh, that guy that took off and was trying to race me, he's now getting pulled over.
Is that guy tailgating out of a cop, or is the cop towing it? He's just tailgating. Do they know each other?
I'm not sure what's going on there.
They can't be towing because you'd have to have a sign that says in tow.
And why would a cop tow somebody?
I don't know. It doesn't make any sense. But why would a guy follow that closely behind? And I think I see some blue hair.
It's the all-day payday on 97.1 Charlie FM.
You think she's trolling him?
Maybe.
Do it, please. Please light her up. Please light her up. I want to follow this guy around until he lights her up.
He's at least going to make her uncomfortable.
I wouldn't tailgate her if I were him. I'd just light her up. Well,
Yeah.
yes.
There we go.
Yes.
That's,
Oh, that's delicious.
that was,
What a kid. Wow, let's look how stupid your face is. Oh, your face is so
Instant karma.
Wow, just get on through that red light there, Karen. Wow, just get on through that red light there, Karen.
Are you recording that?
Hi, I'm Adam Weiss, founder of Keepsake, the simple and affordable way to have your photos printed, framed, and delivered to your doorstep. If you're like me, you've probably got thousands of photos on your phone, but sometimes the moments that matter most end up getting lost. That's why I love Keepsake. With the Keepsake app, it only takes 3 minutes to frame a photo that you love. Just choose a photo and preview what it looks like in over 100 frames. Pick your favorite, and in a couple of days, your beautifully framed photo will arrive ready to hand. At Keepsake, we use the highest quality materials, and every frame is handmade in the USA. Because we ship directly from our studios to you, we can offer custom framing quality at incredible prices. Keepsake makes it super easy to frame a photo for yourself or to send one
on I'm a Celebrity. The fact that these people have got such little respect for the life on our beautiful planet is so sad. I'm not against eating meat, but I'm against any unnecessary...
Whoa. That guy's getting pulled over.
Two.